All right, welcome back in the shop. Today, folks, we're going to repair this Campbell Hoffeld Nibbler. The anvil and bit are wore. The anvil's probably okay, but the die inside is not. Won't cut metal at all anymore, unless it's like 24 gauge, and that's just unacceptable. It needs to be able to do 18 gauge, which is the majority of the stuff that I do. All right, so we're going to take it apart here. These little anvils will come out pretty easily. Sometimes you have to chuck them up in a vise, but I'd already loosened this one before to get the right size anvil ordered up. So, or right size bit, I should say, ordered up. Die, I think is the correct term. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it, but the edges are rounded off slightly there on this old one. So we're going to set it aside. And then we got this Eastwood die and anvil kit online, which is, I believe, the same exact kit. I believe Eastwood bought the rights to it from Campbell Hoffeld. But you can see the difference in the die here. It's much sharper, cleaner than the old one. But same exact part. See how this one has a much sharper edge there. And it's going to fit in the hole much smoother. Which translates to it will cut again. With these, you just snug them up and then run these up to where you want them. That should just about do it. Oh, I forgot to put the lock nut on. These are about 25 bucks on Amazon, I think, is what I paid for it. But if it gets my tool working again, it's worth every penny. I like my opening to be in the front, so I can push right through and all the pieces fall out in front. All right, that should be good to go. We should be ready to cut some metal. I hope you enjoyed today's video content. If so, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.